I'm walking through a warehouse of a lot of inventory, and you're probably wondering what this has to do with gardening, but we are right here in Oklahoma City and at the Smart Pot facility, and joining me today is the president, Kurt Rieger. And Kurt, I mean, this is a big thing in gardening.
Well, we make everything here, right here in Oklahoma City. So it's kind of amazing. We have an 80,000 square foot warehouse, and it's all a product made here in Oklahoma City.
So let's talk a little bit about the product. You got one over here that we can maybe look at.
Yep.
So you guys, how long has this company been going on?
We started in 1984, incorporated in 1984, and we've been going since that time.
So your dad started this, but you have kind of revolutionized it.
Well, I came back, I was working in New York City and came back in 1985 and started in 1985. And at that time, we brought everything here and started to manufacture ourselves here.
So really, it started as a tree container
Tree bags, yes, root control bags.
Okay.
And for the first 15 years of the existence of the company, all we did was the root control bag, the tree bags. Since that time, we evolved to all kinds of different containers.
And so you've gotten into the home gardener and that sort of stuff.
Yes,
I mean,
absolutely. And the production gardener as well. There's a number of production people who need better containers, containers with drainage, containers that release heat. It's just a better growing container.
So let's talk about some of the different types of containers you have. You've got, for the homeowner, you've got strawberry pots, you've got long rows that you can plant. I mean,
all types of containers for the homeowner, and then all types of custom containers for industrial use and greenhouse use as well.
Right. So obviously we're in the spring season. You've got a lot of inventory that's ready to roll out.
And a lot of inventory that's going out the door today.
Well, what's exciting about this product, I think, is that it is made right here in Oklahoma City.
Yes.
So let's talk a little bit about the material that you're using and where that's coming from and stuff like that.
We get all of our material actually from in the USA. Most of our fabrics are made in Georgia or North Carolina. They're made to our specs. We're very particular about the specs. In fabrics, you can get a lot of metals. We don't want any type of thing like lead, copper, those types of heavy metals, bisphenol. We don't want any of that.
Especially if you're growing plants.
If you're growing
edibles,
and we focus on growing edibles, things that you're going to ingest.
Right.
So we want a clean fabric, and we work very, very hard to maintain a clean fabric.
Okay, and that fabric's what's so important because it actually is what does the root pruning that makes your product so popular.
Yes. That's very important, and the fabric does a great job of root pruning.
So this is a big pot, obviously. Yeah.
This is a custom pot. That's actually a tray liner.
Oh, okay. All right.
This is a custom pot that lines the tray. So people who are growing on a tray here, on a 4x4 tray, would put this to line. It holds in soil, holds in the median, so you don't drain out, yet it drains perfectly.
Excellent.
And it root prunes. You can see on here, the fabric actually catches, the hairs of this fabric will catch the fiber roots and force them to branch and prune. So you get a proliferation of root structure inside this container, inside this fabric.
So when you talk about this is a custom product,
yes.
You can order custom products through you guys? I know you offer a lot of different colors other than black.
Other than black. We try to discourage individuals from ordering custom products, but certainly, like this is a product that was made for a distributor of ours, and they had a demand for, they sold a tray, they do sell a tray, present tense, they sell a tray that they need a liner for. So they come to us and say, hey, can you guys make a liner for our tray? Sure, we'd be happy to.
So for large customers, you're able to customize that.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Well, excellent. So again, I know it's all made right here in Oklahoma City. Can we go take a look at how it's made?
Let's walk over here and I'll come on over.
All right. So Kurt, this is where all the magic happens, huh?
We make it all right here, and we're here in Oklahoma City, and we make all of our smart parts here in Oklahoma City, on the floor here, and then take them out to the warehouse.
So some of them have handles on them, some of them are die cut.
We go all the way from 1 gallon to 1,000 gallon, and in various colors. Some have handles, some don't. We make the tray liners, we make saddle bags, we make pond pots, we make all types of containers right here, and we're able to custom, and that's very important. A lot of our customers need custom products and custom configuration.
Right, and you even do a little bit of embroidering too.
We can do embroidery. We have an embroidery machine here, and we can do an embroidery. We try to do that. It makes it a souvenir bag, something that people will keep if it's for a store, they'll put it on their shelf and, you know, kind of keep it as a souvenir. So that works out very well.
Well, so I would imagine with all of this fabric that you're using, there's always a little bit of scrap with when you're sewing and that sort of stuff.
We've actually recycled over 1 million pounds of fabric, of scrap fabric, because whenever you're cutting, there's always going to be a piece or two that, you know, gets passed off. So, and people, they'll pay it for recycling, so it actually becomes a profit center.
Okay. So you recycled over 1 million pounds, you said?
Yes.
And that's going back into the product itself, and then also into other uses?
It goes back into the product itself, but not directly. We sell it to re-wholesalers, and then they melt it down and
put it back into the
material.
All right. Well, you've got a lot going on here. It's a little louder than what we're used to shooting it, but this is terrific.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks. And so let's go take a look and see how this product is used in the garden.
Come on up to the greenhouse. We have a great big greenhouse, and my wife's over there to show us how it's done.
Excellent.
Thanks.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.